Greetings to all lovers of high quality and stylish watches. Today I want to talk Ulysse Nardin about watches. This watch from Ulysse Nardin is a great choice for men who are looking for high quality and stylish design. The watch case is made of durable steel and has a diameter of 43 mm, which makes it quite large on the wrist. The glass is sapphire, which provides a high degree of protection against scratches and damage. The bracelet is made of rubber, which makes this watch more comfortable to wear on a daily basis. The watch movement is self-winding and provides a power reserve of 24 hours. The watch is water-resistant to 200 m, making it suitable for swimming or diving. The watch is in good condition with few signs of use. The dial looks great with no scratches or other damage. However, it should be noted that the date translation button does not work, and the date can only be translated with arrows. All in all, this watch from Ulysse Nardin is an excellent choice for men who want high quality and stylish design. Despite the malfunction of the date pusher, the watch can still be used with full functionality. It can be worn both on a daily basis and for sports events. Best wishes, your Citadel watch.